Look at this guy, Brian James. He said, Sam, you taught me the model. I shorted around 81.5, the head and shoulder. Stop loss above the 1-day 200 moving average. I risked 300. Profits are now 4K. Thank you so much for all your time and knowledge every day. This dude made $4,000 off of $300. Probably one of the biggest gains of his life. All right? Because he learned the system with me, because he got educated, because he showed up to the live stream. I'm doing this for free every single day, folks. I don't have to. I love to do it. God does benefit. I do get a beautiful benefit from it. So much comes from it that I never knew was even going to happen. So I'm living the same thing now. Fighting for a dream, living tight. Don't care what anyone thinks. I will make it. You will, man. You will. My dad gave me this book when I was young, The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss. That book changed my life, folks. My dad was priming me, man. He kept going. He knew he had to make me a warrior, man. Don't miss out on our next live stream. Subscribe to @CryptoLifer on YouTube for more.